Hello everyone, welcome you all for video lecture on very important topic of verbal reasoning of mental ability, that is coding and decoding. In examination, tough level question comes from this topic. We will learn quick method to solve difficult level questions in minimum time. At first, we will go through the lecture content. Firstly, we will see the objectives. Second, what is coding and decoding. Third, different type of questions, and fourth is quick method to solve. In this part 1 of coding decoding, we will go through the type 1 questions, and in next part we will go through type 2 and type 3 questions. Let us start with objectives. What are the objectives of learning this topic? First, objectives is applicable to all topics of a mental ability, that is to increase the logical reasoning, critical thinking and mental ability. While solving different type of questions on these topics, definitely we have to apply various logics, we have to think, and by doing all these things, it increases students mental ability. Second objective is to learn how decipher the rule and break the code to reveal the message. In second objective, we have to actually understand the process by which that code is decoded, means decipher the code and finding out the rule by which a message is encoded in another message. Third objective is learn how to solve various types of questions in examinations. Next, what is coding and decoding? In simple manner, coding means a sender converted a message into another message which is only understandable to the receiver. Any other third person cannot understand that message. That is one of the basic purpose of the coding. We will see the definition. What is coding? It is a process of converting a message with a certain rule method into another message. Take the example. Here, butter is coded into some other words, some other letters, that is CVUUFS. Bread is coded into CSFBE. Then how coffee is coded? Question types. Various types of question comes on this topic. First is a coding based on alphabet letter. Second, number letter, letter symbol, number symbol. These all types we are going to see in detail very soon. Third is a mixed letter coding. Fourth, mixed number coding, and fifth is a substitution coding, and sixth is the miscellaneous coding. So that first of all we will see first types of questions, that is question based on alphabet letter. Before solving questions on this type, we have to understand some basic concepts related with this type. First of all, we will see order list of alphabets, that is our regular order of alphabet A to Z from left to right. It is also known as a forward order. It is looks like this: A to Z. We have to remember the number positions of the certain alphabet letter, that is A having position 1, B having position 2, and Z having a 26. There is a one hint to remember this coding, that is a E Jyoti. These 5 letters we can remember easily because it is a multiple of 5, that is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So that each having position 5, J having 10, O having 15, T 20 and 5 25. So this can be helpful to find, this can be helpful to know the positions of different alphabet letters. At least surrounding alphabet letter we can find out easily. Suppose O is 15 is given, and we know that after O there is a P Q R. So that if as O is 15, then PQR is a 16, 17, 18. Like this we can remember all the 26 letters. Next is a positions of alphabet from right to left, that is a reverse order. This one is also we have to remember, and there is also one technique to remember. This is how positions from right to left, how it looks. Z is having one number and A is having a 26 number. How can we remember the coding of it? Simply reverse order letter is 27 minus forward order letter, and if you know the forward letter, then we can easily find out the reverse letter. Just take the example of B. The forward letter is a in forward order the position of B is 2, so that in reverse order the position of B is a 27 minus 2, that is a 25. Next, opposite alphabet. Opposite alphabet is like this: A having opposite letter Z, B having Y, C having X. Some questions comes from this topic like this, and M having opposite letter Z. Here we have to remember one note, that is a sum of opposite alphabet is always 27. Just take the example of M and N, or just take the example of A and Z. A having number position 1 and Z having position 26. So that the addition of these two opposite alphabet is 27. Next is a question 1. In a coding language, Noida is written as STNIF. In the same coding language, Meerut will be written as. To solve these questions, first of all, we must know the alphabet letters from A to Z. After that, we will decode this letter. We will find out the logics, the particular rule or pattern which is used to convert this Noida into STNIF. That is what kind of logic we will get. Just look at the n having the 14 and S is a 19. So that from here we can see that 14 plus 5, that is a 19. O and T. O's number is a 15 and T's number is a 20. So here also we are getting the plus 5. I is 9, N is 14. So that 9 plus 5, 14. Likewise, we are getting the logic that plus 5. Each letter plus 5 will get a coded letter. So that same logic we will apply to find out the Meerut. So let us apply the logic on Meerut, that is every letter plus 5. So that we will get the answer R J J W Z Y. M plus 5 we will get R. We will cross verify it. 13 plus 5, that is 13 plus 5, 18. 18 stands for R. So that our answer is R double J W Z Y. That is option C. Next, in a coding language, forget is written as a DPSCU. In the same coding language, doctor will be written as. First step is to know the alphabet from A to Z. Second is find the logic, find the pattern. Here pattern is not like a previous one, that is a plus 5 or plus 2 to all letter. It's having a different one is F and D. F having the number 6 and D having the number 4, so that there is a minus 2. So that F and D having the minus 2 relation. O and P. O having 15 and P having 16. So that O and P having the plus 1 relation. RP. R having 18 and P having the 16. So again there is a relation of a minus 2 in between R and P. G and H. G is a 7 and H is 8. So that G and H having plus 1 relation. So that in this there is a relation of minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. This same pattern we will apply to find out the code for the doctor. So that D minus 2 we will get B. O plus 1 we will get P, and C
minus 2, that is a, t plus 1 u, o minus 2 we will get m, and r plus 1, that is a yes. So that BPAUM, option D is a correct answer. Next question. So this one is a answer BPAUMS. Next question. In a specific language, back is written as YZXP. In the same language, MORN will be written as. First step is to know the alphabet letters with number positions. Second is to find out the relation, and third is to apply that relation to find out the code for the ask word. So what kind of relation is there? B and Y having the relation of B and Y is opposite letter. A and Z is also opposite letter. C and X is also opposite letter. From here we are getting that here is a relation of a opposite letter. Applying same logic, so that we will apply the logic for here M opposite is N, O opposite is L, R opposite is I, and N opposite is M. So that NLIM, that is a option D. Option D is a correct one. Next question. If the allowance is a this code and the word dearness would be coded as. First thing is to know the alphabet letter. After that, finding out the relations by looking this word. We are getting that A and Z having the opposite relation also, but L and N don't having that relation, opposite relation. So that there is another logic. AZ having the logic of -1, and LN having the logic of +1. Again LK having the logic of -1, OP having the logic of +1. Like this, we are getting the logic of -1 +1 -1 +1. We will apply the same logic to find out the ask word, that is a dearness. D minus 1 is a C, E plus 1 is a F, A minus 1 is a Z, R plus 1 is a S. I am writing this by looking this alphabet only, so that in examination if you write this alphabet in this way, then also it is going to work. By doing this thing, we will get the answer CFZ that is option D. Here we will stop this lecture. If you have any doubt, ask your questions, and also tell that really you are understanding these lectures or not. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.